Hello.
Hi,
Welcome to the drawing channel. Today, we're going to draw.
Sonic the Hedgehog.
For this, we'll need a drawing pad, a pencil, an eraser, and colored pencils or markers.
Yes,
Well, shall we begin? Hold on, take a pencil. Let's start drawing from the head. Draw an oval shape for his face like this. Now let's draw his eyes. He has such expressive big eyes. Now draw two short lines right here. Let's draw his eyes now. Here's one eye. And the other eye. Draw like this. Just follow along with me. Now let's add a few small details. Draw his nose right here. Now watch, we'll draw the iris and pupils of his eyes. They're of an oval shape like this. Add highlights. Eyes are drawn. All good. Now let's draw his cheeks. And now let's draw his smile. Now we need to draw his ears. His ears look like cat ears. One, and the other. Well done. Now let's draw his quills. And following the same principle, let's draw them on the other side. Now let's outline his eyebrows. Now let's draw his body. And now we can finish his arms for this shape. Now here, we'll draw his waist. Now Let's draw the floor so that it's easier to draw his legs. Does he run very fast?
Yes.
Look attentively. From this point, let's draw 2 legs. Now we can draw Sonic's footwear. Let's mark his socks. And draw his pointed sneakers. We need to draw the soles for his shoes. Repeat the same for the other leg. Now let's finish his arms. And at the end of his arms, draw his fists. Now let's draw the other arm. And let's also draw lightning bolts around his legs. This will add dynamism to our drawing. Now set aside the pencil and take a marker to outline our drawing. But let's start with a blue marker and outline the lightning bolt. Now set aside the markers and take an eraser to remove any excess. Hold it gently and erase carefully so as not to tear the paper. And now let's set aside the eraser and take the markers to color in our drawing.
Thank you.
Go ahead, I'll start with the eyes.
Well, Mom, shall we show how it turned out?
Let's go.